Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get refund on Temu without returning. So if you have purchased any product from Temu, you would like to get a refund but you also don't want to return it. So in this video, we will see the easiest way to do it. So first you just have to simply open the Temu app and make sure that you have logged in with the same account where you have purchased the product. Now here you have to go to your profile. For that you have to click on this U icon. Once you get there, on the top right corner you will see this icon, which is the headphone icon. You have to click onto it. This is for the support care. Here you can see we have different options. From there we have this option for refunds. You can just simply click onto it and you can just simply check out these options. These are all related to refund. So you can just simply read it. So normally Temu doesn't ask you to return the product because it costs them to get back the product. They only ask if the product was too much worthy, like in thousands, or maybe it is expensive. But if the product is around $10 to $20, they would not ask you to return it. So if you want a refund without return, then you have to click onto this option, which is contact us at the bottom. It will take you to the customer care of Temu. Here you just have to simply tell them that you want the refund. Just simply say I want a refund and they would ask you some of the questions like why you want the refund and did you not like the product, is there an issue with that. You can just simply answer as per your choice, and after that you will get a refund. Once they go through this process, they go through your request, and after that you will get the refund, and they will also not ask you to return the product, because if they ask for it, it will actually cost them a lot because they have to get back the product to their manufacturer or maybe to another place. So therefore they do not ask you to return the product. So that's how you can get refund without returning on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.